Hey friends, welcome back to The Wandering Home. If you can believe it, we've been on the road for a whole year.
It's been a lot of fun. We've had a lot of adventures. We've seen a lot of beautiful places. We've definitely learned a lot of lessons.
Run into a lot of challenges.
Yes.
Learned a lot of lessons.
100%. In this video, we're going to take you through our experience of what it was like to live on the road for the last year.
And we'll also talk about some of the lessons we've learned on the road in case you have a dream of doing something like this yourself. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and you can follow us on the rest of the journey. All right, are you ready? Let's jump into it. 1 year on the road. 1, 2, 3. So one of the lessons we learned by this point was that if you want to have as much fun as possible on the road, you have to be really flexible. And so we picked up a sewage tote, a generator. We also grabbed a Starlink so we have internet wherever we're at.
Yeah, learning to dry camp and to make yourself, so that you're able to go off into those more wild places and camp, definitely changed the way this, the direction that this trip took, for sure.
Don't care what they say. I've been working too hard lately. Feel like I'm going crazy. I need some time in a certain place. And I say on and on. 'Cause there you go again, my baby. Your eyes are
This leg of the trip was where we really dove deeply into reconnecting with nature, which was one of the reasons we wanted to do this trip. But this is where it really sort of kicked in for us.
Being in these beautiful old growth forests really threw us into a love of learning about the nature and like leaning into really experiencing on a deeper level the nature on this trip.
So this was just a lesson to slow down. If you do a trip like this, try not to go too fast and get caught up in all of the travel and the planning and all that. Make sure you slow down and really get into the experience of the nature.
Another lesson we learned on this trip was that making new friends was going to be a big part of our trip.
And traveling with new friends.
Making connections and meeting other families that travel has been a big part of our experience.
This was a part of the trip that sort of surprised us because we were thinking that we might meet some people on the road, but we didn't realize that we would meet people that we feel like we're going to be friends with for life.
We definitely made some lifelong friends on this trip.
So this is where we took a pause in the trip and we visited with family. And one lesson that we learned was that when you're on the road for 9 months and you don't see family, you really miss your family.
Yeah, we were very lucky to be able to take a couple pauses on this trip and stay with family for an extended amount of time and really feel like we got to catch up, so we weren't missing them so much on the road.
Still have $104.
So that was it. That was 1 year on the road.
It was a wild ride and we still got a lot more to go.
As for what happens next, we'll head west and we'll see where that takes us.
Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you like this video, subscribe to follow us, see where else we go on this journey, and we'll see you on the road.